Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today's video I will talk about my 28th day. Today's 28th day and 27th day has been completed without any hesitation. Actually, I would like to tell you uh, today I will talk about in my past. I was very afraid of this language, and I thought English is so typical language. I cannot be speak English in front of people, in front of camera. But what I am realize, it is not a tough language, but you have to practice every day. And let's talk about my past. My births are not come to mind. I did not have a single idea how to speak English without hesitation, but now I can speak English. I am not a great speaker, I am not a perfect speaker, but I practice daily. Day by day I am improving. But at least I would like to tell you one thing: I have discipline in this series because I want to make this video. My confidence is goes up and boost. I cannot tell you, how can I explain? My confidence is boost. So if you want to speak English, you also want to speak English fluently. But you have, this is a great idea. If you want to start a speaking journey, so you take a challenge 30-day. Then you can see my video, all video, how do I start. And then I take this level, not a much level, but it's a level, because I am doing practice every day. I made mistake while speaking English, but I can not, because I am doing practice. So first question is that everyone speak English. English is not a tough language, but you have to emerge this type of activity at least 30 minute every day. Okay, I am also doing this activity and shadowing so many things. Yes, what I would like to say, I cannot written, I do not written any script. I do not research any topic. I speak only random. Whatever my comes my mind, then I try to say in my mouth. I did not research so many idea how, so the lot of people do research what I I would like to say in my video, so many things, and editing and use filter. I did not do anything. I what I speaking in front of camera. I same video I will upload in my YouTube channel also. And if you want to speak English fluently, so watch my video till the end. And if you really want to, so if you don't have any idea how to start your journey, so you can watch my previous video. Okay, today I will share my thoughts. If you feel positive means if you feel stay positive and do hard work and uploaded regular video, so your confidence will be boost. Your confidence will be boost, your hesitation remove, because lot of people cannot be speak, lack of knowledge, lack of confidence, lack of practice. So you have to do this type of activity. You can speak English fluently as much as possible. Okay, so it is right. I don't know how many people watch this video, but at least 2 3 5 4, I don't care. But I cannot leave this series. Then I will upload a regular video in my YouTube channel, but I would like to research and write a script. I will do in next time I have completed 30-day challenge to speak English. After that I will make a plan and what to speak, what not to speak. Okay, definitely I will do, but it's enough. I do not to share to anyone. Whatever I feel, I will tell you in front of you. I did not have much word today. I feel very disappointed today, so I cannot say anything. But I would like to say you have to start your journey, because journey is very important for you, so you have to start. Bye bye, take care.